When you own a Jeep, you don't want to just go from point A to point B. You want to take all the side trails. Explore those trails with the ARIES TrailChaser bumper. Available for both the JK and JL models, the TrailChaser bumper offers something not many others can. What sets the TrailChaser apart from everything else on the market is its modular design for both the front and rear of your Jeep. As you build and modify your Jeep, you can change the look of the bumper to match your style. With interchangeable end caps and brush guards, there is a combination perfect for your rig. Exclusively for the JL, a unique end cap that allows you to relocate the factory turn signals when you add fender flares for larger tires. Available in a high-strength steel or a lightweight rust-free aluminum construction, both in a textured black finish, these bumpers mount to pre-existing factory mounting points with a no-drill installation. The ARIES TrailChaser bumper allows you to conquer your Jeep life one trail at a time.